Hey there, fellow dreamers. If you're like me, you have a burning passion to turn your ideas into reality and create a successful online business. And I'm here to tell you that Shopify can help you do just that. Starting an online business can be overwhelming, but with Shopify's user-friendly platform and advanced features, it's never been easier. And right now, Shopify is offering an amazing promotion. You can start your online business for just $1 per month for 3 months. We all have unique ideas and visions, and Shopify makes it easy to create a mobile responsive website that reflects your brand and stands out from the competition. Their inventory management and payment processing features also streamline your operations, so you can focus on growing your business and achieving your dreams. But don't just take my word for it. Try it out for yourself with our exclusive free trial link in the description below. I know firsthand how daunting it can be to start an online business, and that's why I want to help you get started with Shopify. So let's take the first step together. Click the link now to sign up for your free trial and start building your online empire today. Remember, your dreams are within reach, and Shopify can help make them a reality.